Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, YouTube videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button so you're inspired whenever I make a video. So guys, today is Tuesday. I should have started a week in my life, but I did not. Yesterday was just not. I was gonna start it in the morning, I forgot, and then in the afternoon got some bad news, so we did not. So I just did not, and then just decided to start today. So I was just doing like a little sponsorship video, so I decided to start my vlog now since I just remembered. So yes, how are y'all doing? So haven't had a chat with you guys in a while. What go on? What up to? Comment down below. Let's have a conversation. So what go on? What been up to? Whole life at treats. How is your week going? I don't know. My week didn't start off the best. Hoping that the rest of the week will go better, but my week did not start off the best. So yes, so I kind of not just, but I got back from work some time ago. Actually, it's raining now, which is kind of strange since they said that we're gonna have drought. And I said, I did say to mommy when she told me that she heard it and she was like hoping that rain would fall. I'm like, these people ain't God. They don't know what God has, planned. And look at that. It might not fall hard, but at least it'll not get like wettings, isn't it? I'll be glad for that. So it's raining right now, a little. So happy for that. It is currently 4:11. I have practice at, I think it's 5 or 5:30. I think it's 5. So I have practice at 5. I was gonna wash, but then I don't want to take off my clothes and then I have to go put it on back. So I decided, you know what? Let's just not wash until I get back. So I'm gonna go to practice because it's on a school anniversary thing coming up and we want to practice. So, and I'm the one practicing them. Cause did y'all know that I'm music director? Did I tell y'all that? I've been for some years now, but yeah, I don't know if I told you guys that. But yes, so I am in charge of practicing them today. So I'll practice at 5. And then when I get back, I should probably do that right now. I'm gonna actually pause after I'm finished talking to you guys and do some city and gaze registration that I was supposed to do from yesterday, but some information that I was supposed to get I did not have, so I did not do. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then because I've worked reach 4:15 yet, so I have enough time before 5 o'clock to finish that. It's just one like 2 steps something. It don't take that long. And then when I get back from practice, I want to wash out a few stuff. Get my clothes for tomorrow is ready. Guys, tomorrow is cross country. Cross country was supposed to actually be Friday gone, but because of the whole thing about the teacher, something, lots of people didn't come to school. And yeah, so we ended up only having the Sun City thing. So if you did not watch my weekend vlog, you guys should go ahead and watch it. So go back after you don't watch the video, yeah, and watch it. All right, so yeah, so I have that tomorrow. So cross country tomorrow. So I already have my clothes from last week Friday, because since it was my only Friday t-shirt, me never bother put it on because I don't have it for now. So I left it out. So yes, that's for tomorrow. So I don't have any ironing to do. I do need to pack a bag because I don't know if I want to carry this big knapsack. I'm not sure, but I'll decide later on. But even though I would still need to pack it. And then what else do I need to do? Wash. No. Probably just chill. I'm in chilling mode. that's that. So I'm gonna get my stuff done, and then I'll talk to you guys later. Schweppes. Alright guys, so it is time for us to go to practice. So I'm about to leave so I can go right now. The hair, after I wash it, the hair is not, but actually at first when I first bought this hair, it took a while to actually keep the curls, but I had to do like over time after spraying it with water and the wrap thingy, it would come like a mousse thing, it kind of gets stiff up. So what I did was to wash it so all of the stiffness come out of it. So it's like to spray and something it now to get it back because it keeps frizzing. So yeah, that's that. But yes, back home, back ready to go practice, and sister is home. So hey sister, she's very see me at that bun me. Morning guys, we reached work. I am tired already and it's hot right here. Reach work. While it settles in. It's now work outside. Hey guys, so everything is done. Actually gonna head out from work right now. We get my banana, some just to make sure some of my mouth clean. I'm gonna see hair on cream. Cover that. Anyways, so I'm about to leave, so I'm just gonna pack up right now. So I'll see you tomorrow. So guys, today's Wednesday and we normally have practice on a Thursday. However, we're gonna have to have practice today because we have some error battery something going, and it's tomorrow and we don't want to have something while they're having something, so we're gonna be trying to go on to go. So we're not gonna have so we're not gonna have fully practice. We're not gonna have our practice on Thursday. We're gonna have it Wednesday. So yeah, it's always so weird to vlog in public, to just have the camera on attack. It's just weird. So we reach a town now, so I'm not gonna just put on the phone, so later.
I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing. something from you. You ain't giving nothing.
Hi guys, so I'm back home. Actually come home, I actually eat. But I'm gonna eat dinner, but I eat like they made us this herring and crackers thingy, and I didn't eat it yet, so I just ate that. Plus I was eating a snack, cherry berry snack. Yeah, so I was eating that. So so today was great. Our house, we did a clean sweep in the females, first, second, third. Yeah, right there. And then for the boys, I can only remember that we came in second. I don't think we came in third. I'm not sure the other position, but we know we come in second. Yeah. So I'm pretty proud of them. They came in pretty good. So yeah, pretty proud of that. So I have two practices today. I have choir practice, plus I have like the practice that I'm gonna go yesterday. So the Sunday school thingy. This wig, honestly, I don't understand. Like, why is it doing this? It's doing the most right now. Anyways, so I need to go fix something because the video I was supposed to upload today, or that I'm uploading today, it's showing me that it has a copyright, and I'm thinking it's the song that says I Speak Live. I put like a little piece in it and it copyrighted. So I'm gonna put an audio over it, but I can't do it on my phone, so I had to wait until I come back home. So I'm gonna do that right now and then put my video to go live so you guys can get it. So yes, that is what's happening for today. I wanted to, guys, guess what, I never get to wash yesterday. I came over and decided to say, I'm gonna wash and whatever, but I started to do, like, I put my stuff together and then get lazy and sit down, watch video, did up on TikTok. Oh yes, and I did twist my hair out, so I did comb out my hair because I texted my my hairdresser. She's gonna come on Saturday, so my hair will be processed on Saturday. So mind tell me if you look, because I bought two creams, but I saw the box over there and I was wondering, what if I actually had one and I didn't know? And I did have one. So this has been there from the last time I creamed my hair. I don't even know, do these things have like what do you call them, the dates them when they can't use, like they will still, me no know. I'm try to find one because that would be a waste of my money. And more than too sad because then I would have one that's gonna actually put down for quite some time. See, I'm gonna make sure so this is one of them I use first. Yeah, I'll have dust on its all. I'm gonna put my creamy hair. Guys, a month. I don't think I creamed my hair like, when was the last time? Did I cream my hair for my birthday? I think I creamed it for my birthday and then after that I didn't cream it. So like, let's count like October, November, December, January, February, March. It has been 6 months. So 6 months post relaxer under this. It is well natural. It is, I don't want to show no, but yeah, and look at that, natural curling. It is well curly, but yes. So I'm gonna get this thing sorted out before practice time. So I'm kind of sit on my bed, so I'm gonna sit on my bed because I'm not sitting up on the floor of school in that grass, and I don't want that on my bed. So we're gonna have to sit on the floor. So yes, I'm gonna do that. Hey girl. Alright, so this is it. I Speak Live, 10 seconds from 3:30 to 3:40. 10 seconds. Y'all couldn't just let that slide, huh? Wow, that's cold. So I'm gonna see how I can get this, I don't want to trim it and I don't want to, alright, I'm just gonna replace that little part. with one of their audio so I can get this video out, because why not? Yeah. So yes, let's just do that, guys, and then my video will be live. Alright guys, so I'm going to practice now. I do not like how this hair is looking today at all. I don't know what it is. It just feels not cute. It's raining. There's never been another man.
Oh.
So that's gonna be it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, good morning. Hi guys, so it is Thursday morning and I'm leaving out to go to work right now. So today's like my full day. I don't even know how today's gonna go because we have City and Girls exams today, so I don't know if I'm gonna have to stay with that class for the entire day or if I'm just gonna go my regular classes. So when I get to school, I'm just gonna talk to my HOD and see, because I don't know how today is supposed to go. But yes, the thing is that here, I love it in the morning when I just spray it. So by the time the day end, Jesus, I'm get dry. And the back part keeps knotting. Like run so. But I tried something else today. I tried putting the conditioner water instead of just the regular water, plus the mousse thingy. So hopefully it makes a difference. I don't know. Anyways, try to get a taxi. But now I'm not necessarily late because it's like a little bit after 7, so there's no way I can be late because school begins at 8. But I don't like the late taxi them because you know when the early taxi them left you were late. So I want to be on one of the early taxis. That's how I always prefer to leave 7, even if that little rat ain't with me. So she's not going to school today, so but I need to rush, but I don't want to reach the school late. So yeah, I hate vlog in a public because it's always just weird. People are always just looking at me. I don't like that. I don't like that none time. So I'm gonna just put away the camera now. But I'm alone when I walk right now, but you know, vehicles be passing. So I'll see you guys when I get to work, or if not, then after I get from work. It's so hard to vlog at work, you know. So see you then. Hey guys, so I'm home quite some time now though. Actually cooking, but just remember something about, you know, update you guys from morning. So yes, I'm actually cooking some mackerel right now. So I just pick up the mackerel and while I'm watching some YouTube. So yeah, I'm gonna cut up the tomato and see if I can find any more seasoning, and then that's all. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm done with that. It has been raining. As I told you guys, I think earlier, about 2 days now. This is about the third day, I should say. It has been raining, so right now it's pretty gloomy outside. I'm not mad about it. So it's currently after 6. I'm watching some YouTube while I was cooking, and now I'm gonna actually wash plates. So yes, I'm gonna clean up the kitchen now. So yeah, I'm tired. I'm not tired. I'm tired. Anyways. Like we have all of this plus what's over there, quite a few. So I'm just waiting on her to come in. My feet are killing me because I was standing for quite some time, so I'm just chilling, just a bit, just resting for a bit. So yes, quite a few clothes to go through to fold.
The pump stopped again.
Say hi. Say hi to the vlog.
People who have been having a struggle with the pump. Let the pump take me and play with him, you know. Pump take me and play with him.
Morning, guys. I'm ready to work, but like that. So yeah, I was sweating. And what I do like how. But anyways, I'm gonna get myself ready for my classes for today. Here's that I showed for some reason already. Don't know. So yes. I'm putting things in my fridge. So I have my lunch, my break, which is some cereal. And the students, would you look at that?
Alright, so remember earlier I spoke to you guys and I tell you that every subject has their own.
Alright guys, so I'm back home. Here, when you see the hair puff out, yeah. Anyways, so I'm back home. I'm gonna end this vlog here. So hope you guys enjoyed my little week in my life. It was kind of long because I did a lot of talking, and I'm sorry. Let me know if you like these talking vlogs because I will get comfortable in front of the vlog and talk. I don't talk a lot in person, but I will talk in front of the camera. So let me know if you love the chat session sometimes, yeah. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.